What we're doing is magic. And it started with a single idea: to engineer a biofuel out of industrial waste from a chocolate factory. But we need to see how our fuel performs. So we found the ultimate proving ground, the Rebel Rally. We assembled an amazing team, and we rebuilt this 28-year-old truck. We learned to drive, and we learned to navigate. And we're gonna make a difference, the way some people talk about, but very few do. Because every thought and every action can mean something. And we're gonna make you wonder how you're gonna do it too.